Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. I'm a ketogenic lifestyle coach and school psychologist here to support you, motivate you, inspire you to great successes with your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. And today's subject is one that's very pivotal in terms of your success with keto. And that is ingredient and food substitution. We call them swapping, food swapping, which is very, very important. Getting rid of those high carb foods and replacing them with low carb alternatives. Swap out one non-keto food for a keto alternative each week. That would be something that would be a gradual approach to getting acclimated with keto. Doing a ingredient or food substitution one a week would be a gradual way to approach your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. You know, starting on the ketogenic lifestyle can be fairly overwhelming to many, especially when it comes to rethinking your everyday meals. Whether you're a seasoned keto enthusiast or just considering dipping your toes into the low-carb waters, making the switch doesn't have to be an all-or-nothing proposition or endeavor. In fact, one of the most effective and sustainable ways to transition into keto is by swapping out one non-keto food for a keto alternative each week. And then you can do it kind of gradually and get acclimated to the process of keto. So why does gradual swaps work? Well, on the ketogenic diet, rich in fats, moderate in proteins, and low in carbs, it can be really a significant shift from the typical high-carb standard American diet. By gradually swapping out non-keto foods for keto-friendly options, you allow your body and taste buds to adjust gradually. This method also makes the transition more manageable, reducing the likelihood of feeling deprived or overwhelmed. And this is a good method for some people that want to take it slow. Most people would not want this gradual approach, but some people like to dip their toes into the water gradually, so to speak, and this would really meet their ends and really help support them. Taking it one step at a time can help you build a sustainable habit. Each successful swap boosts your confidence and reinforces your commitment to the ketogenic lifestyle, making the long-term change feel less daunting. Now, let's talk about easy food swaps to get you started. Well, number one, how about lettuce wraps or cloud bread for regular bread, typically with the wheat and the gluten? Bread is a staple in many diets, but it's a major source of carbs. The good news for us in keto, there are keto-friendly alternatives that can satisfy your need for a sandwich or a wrap. Try swapping out regular bread with lettuce wraps or cloud bread. Lettuce wraps offer a fresh, crunchy base for your fillings, while cloud bread, a fluffy, low-carb bread substitute made from eggs and cream cheese, can be used for sandwiches and burgers. Number two, how about zucchini noodles or shirataki noodles for pasta? Pasta is another high-carb food that's tough to give up for many of us. However, zucchini noodles, also known as zoodles, offer a satisfying alternative. Zoodles can be spiralized at home or purchased pre-made at many grocery stores. Another option is shirataki noodles made from konjac yam, which are virtually carb-free and can mimic the texture of traditional pasta. Number 3, how about cauliflower rice for rice? You know, rice is a common side dish, but it's also high in carbs. Cauliflower rice, on the other hand, is a fantastic low-carb alternative. You can make it yourself by grating cauliflower florets or buying it pre-riced. Cauliflower rice is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from stir fries to burrito bowls. Number 4, how about turnips or radishes for potatoes? Potatoes are a comfort food for many, but they're also loaded with carbs. Swapping them out for turnips or radishes can give you a similar starchy texture without the carbs. Turnips can be roasted or mashed like potatoes, and radishes can be sliced and sautéed for a delicious low-carb side dish. Number 5, how about stevia or erythritol for sugar? If you have a sweet tooth, the thought of giving up sugar might be daunting to you at first. Fortunately, there are keto-friendly sweeteners like stevia and erythritol that can replace sugar in your coffee, baking, and desserts. These sweeteners don't spike blood sugar levels and can help you satisfy cravings while staying in ketosis. So the positive things here about using a stevia or erythritol is that they don't spike blood sugar levels and can help satisfy your cravings. It's a definite plus. Now let's speak about the benefits of weekly swaps. By committing to a new food swap each week, if you want to take the gradual approach to keto, you give yourself time to experiment with keto alternatives and discover what works best for you. This approach also helps you ease into the keto lifestyle without feeling deprived or overwhelmed. Furthermore, these small changes can have a big impact on your health. Over time, as you reduce your carb intake and increase your consumption of healthy fats, you may notice improvements in your energy levels, mental clarity, and even weight loss. So in conclusion, start swapping today. You know, whether you're already on the keto path or considering it, making small, gradual changes on your diet can lead to lasting success. Start with one swap this week, for example. Maybe it's lettuce wraps for bread or cauliflower rice for rice, and build from there. Each swap brings you one step closer to fully embracing the ketogenic lifestyle with all its benefits for your health and well-being. And there you are. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below for me. And again, I would be truly honored if you chose to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for doing that. This has been Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. We'll speak again with you tomorrow. Take good care. Bye-bye.